everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me to bring you today's video. Now 2020 is right around the corner and I'm not sure about you, but I've been thinking about those New Year's resolutions, and of course I really want to focus more on taking care of myself, both inside and out. If you haven't heard of FabFitFun before, it is a seasonal subscription box, so it only comes out 4 times a year, and it also includes items that are for fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle. Each box has over $200 worth of items inside, but they only cost $49.99 each. And if you use my coupon code, which is DailyEdit, you will get $10 off your first box. Now the great thing about FabFitFun is when you become a member and a subscriber to their subscription box, you also gain access to their edit sales, which include items that you can pick and choose from at a huge discount. And I'm so excited because FabFitFun just opened up their winter edit sale. So these are pop-up flash sales and they're for members only. And like I said, a lot of these items go really quickly, so you want to hurry up and check them out ASAP. But if you're already a subscriber to the FabFitFun box, join their annual membership and you will gain early access to these flash sales. They sent me a few items to share with you so you can get an idea of some of those items that you'll find within their winter edit sale. So let's go ahead and check those out. So wellness is a big thing for me for the 2020 year. I really want to make sure that I take time for myself and make sure that I'm healthy. This first thing is the Port and Polish weekly 7-day pill case. I take vitamins every single day, so this is actually really handy because you can keep your vitamins organized. It also comes with a really great mirror on the inside, so you can keep this in your purse, so it does double duty. You'll also find dietary supplements in their flash sale, like this Aquara Target powder mix. So you mix this with water and it regularly flushes out bacteria. Now this next item is probably the coolest item within all of the items I'm going to show you today. It is by Seed, and it is the Seed Probiotic Bundle. So basically this is a probiotic welcome kit. So you'll get 1 month, and you'll also get this really cute little canister that you can throw in your purse and have it for on the go. But they also include a 50% off discount on your next purchase for your refill, so you can continue to have good gut health. And the really cool thing about this is that if you make a purchase during their FabFitFun winter edit sale, this will be included with your purchase. And I know whenever I pamper myself on the outside, it makes me feel good all over too, so they have some great beauty items as well. This has been something on my list of things to buy for myself. It is NCLA So Rich Nail Cuticle Oil. Especially during these winter months, your hands get dry, really dry for me. So I've been wanting to get this to add to my nails to keep them nice and hydrated. So I'm excited to be using this now. They also have some really great lip balm. This is Peppermint Mocha by Balm Babe. And it also has a little bit of a tint to it. So this one has red, of course, because it's peppermint, right? So you just add a little bit to your lips. And not only does it smell, oh my gosh, it smells just like a candy cane. It's got a little bit of that mocha undertone to it, but it definitely feels good on your lips too. Another one of those great ways to keep your lips hydrated during these cold winter months. This item I definitely need. You see my hair? Like, I stopped using hairspray because I felt like it wasn't moving, like my hair couldn't move, like the curls were just stuck, and then if I moved them, they just kind of fell out. So this is Unite Boosta Volumizing Spray. It says full weightless body, so I'm excited to try this. I like to put a little bit here in the front, just so I have, like, I let it dry. I just put it here, so that way I get a little volume in the front. Let that, oh, it smells good too. It smells really good too. But then I also like to lift up some kind of close to my part, put some in there on both sides, and like I seriously do. I like hold my hair up and let it dry like this and look crazy until it dries. And then I just kind of fluff my hair up like this, and it kind of gives me that extra body that I need without adding hairspray to my hair, which really weights it down. So I really like that this is weightless. Now this is Timeless HA Spray, and it's for your face and it's also for your body. So it's a lavender scent, which also is an essential oil, so it hydrates your skin and it also makes you smell really good. And lavender is a relaxing scent, So a great way to sort of relax and pamper yourself as well. Now I'm sure I won't say this right, but it is a hyaluronic acid serum, and it's great for hydrating, replenishing, and renewing your skin. They also have some really cool lifestyle items. This one, when I pulled it out, I was like, no way. If you guys don't know, I live in Southern Illinois, but we drive into St. Louis, Missouri quite often, as it's like the biggest town with so many fun things to do. And this product is actually made in St. Louis, Missouri, and it is by the Bar Co. This is a candle that smells like fir and grapefruit. And I can't tell you how much I absolutely love this, not only because it's made in St. Louis, so it's handmade right here, but also because it's like my two favorite scents. It's fir, which is basically a Christmas tree smell, so that's all I burn during the Christmas season. And then it's grapefruit, so it kind of has this uplifting, refreshing scent to it too. So it's gonna be a great candle for me to use after Christmas, so I can still kind of keep that Christmas smell. But then it also has sort of a refreshing smell to it. So I feel like I'm gonna be able to use this after Christmas and enjoy some of the Christmas, but still sort of the new scent of a new year. And the other great thing is that it's in a glass container and that it's made with soy and vegetable wax. Oh, it smells so good. I love it so much, and it's so cute too. Now, these are so cute. I can't wait to use these for some of my besties. They're by Chelsea Lafikin. They are for paper epiphanies, and these are the cutest little note cards you can send to your friends. One says, just a reminder that you are gorgeously human, radiant, resilient, and real. One says, the only thing you need validation for is parking. And I love this one too that says, you inspire me to stay hydrated, speak my mind, and not text him back. So these are cards you are not gonna find in the everyday aisles of the retail store. These are just super fun. If you need to give your friend a pick-me-up, these would be so fun to give. And last but not least is this super fun tote bag or canvas bag for wine. So it actually is split down the middle here, so you can put 2 bottles of wine in here, and then they don't clink together or move around too much. You can give this as a gift. If you're going to a party, you can tote it around with you. But it says cheers, and then has all these cute little sayings on it on the other side. Really just a fun bag to have or to give as a gift. So like I said, if you are a FabFitFun member, you get access to the edit sale right now. So make sure to head over, because if you see any of these products that you like, you'll get a huge discount on them if you go right now. If you're not a member, make sure to use my code DailyEdit to save $10 off your first box. I just received my winter box, and there was so many amazing things in it, and it was for sure over $200 worth of items. I'll make sure to link that video down in the description box if you want to go check out what's in a actual subscription box. Thank you so much again to FabFitFun for partnering with me to bring you today's video. I hope you guys are also wanting to kind of better yourself, bring yourself some good wellness, pamper yourself, take care of yourself in the new year, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much again. Bye everyone.